Respected Dr. Pathakji, Dr. Swaminathan, Dr. Pillai, and other dignitaries on the dais. I feel it's a great fortune in my life to share the dais with the people who are the change makers in the society. The time I entered in the lobby and I just touched the feet of such a great people, I was really inspired. My cells gets activated. Ravi, you have to do a lot in this society. Learn from these people who are the catalysts in this society to bring a change. Once I happened to read 20 people whose innovative thoughts have brought a great change in this great nation. One was that Dr. Bindeshwar Pathakji. I was just casually reading. I didn't have much opportunity to go into the detail. I just associated the Sulabh toilets as an innovation from him, and the facilities being provided in the cities and wherever the possibilities are there, and people are able to take the advantage of that. That's what I thought. But when I gone through the details of that, how this innovative thought has come into his mind, one thing I learned: anybody who's practicing empathy in his life, it definitely you will come out with the new ideas. That's what happened in case of Dr. Pathakji. He is from such an orthodox family, lived in a remote part of the India, and seen the plight of the people, especially the women. The very early morning, as rightly Nirmalji was telling, that before the sunrise, when the dark is cropping the entire area, they all have to finish their morning call. And he has seen virtually in his own home that the toilet cannot be built inside the home. That is the kind of orthodox nature they have followed. And people have to go out, and the human waste are being removed by human being. All those things he has very carefully gone into that, and it has gone to his heart, and he has really, that empathy part made him to think, what can I do for these people who are all under suffering? As rightly Mr. Nirmal sir was telling, yes, the Adakki Vikram, I feel pity on the ladies, girls, how this, in gents they have all the opportunities. What about the plight of these ladies? Such a very difficult in such situations and all that. People like Pathakji and all others who are all gathered over here, many such people has to emerge in our country. Then only we can make our country as a great nation. Our Modi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister, has got a great dream. He is now challenging the entire world with the human resource. I have a 1.25 billion people in this world. I can challenge any part of the world. This is what he says. But his dream has to come true only with the social ambassadors like all of us. People have to touch upon. And quite often I used to think that when it comes to the India is a volume. Volume in terms of every problem, also volume. Yes, when it comes to the question of touching this sanitation, people lose the complete hope. No, it's not possible. We keep comparing with the different countries. We say, no, it will take another generation after generation. We will not be able to improve upon. This is a word we keep people telling. But what is the solution for it? We need a people like Pathakji whose message will motivate many people, all those who are gathered over here. The media will take this forward to the different part of the world and make everybody be a part of this Swachh Bharat. And this Swachh Bharat is the image building mission of our nation. Otherwise, all our talents, all our efficiency, everything will remain in the dustbin. I should say that. This is a national mission, and I'm really happy that Indian Development Foundation has identified that this is a noble cause, and today we are honoring such a great personality who has taken an untiring, very daring step in this. Otherwise, such a very wealthy background, he would have very well enjoyed his life. But he has come for this national cause, or for a human being, actually human cause, I must say that. And now his models are being followed in different parts of the world. This is really a great occasion that we all have gathered to honor this great personality, and I sincerely pray that all his efforts in the coming time should also more and more many people he should join. It should become a national movement. I am sure that with the the synchrony of the sync of our national thought about cleanliness and your efforts and the well-wishes of the other organization, NGOs, everybody joining hand, it is definitely going to be a possible thing. On this occasion, I also would like to add this, being a part of the National Institute of Open Schooling, that education is another one of the major challenges which is being faced by our country. And we keep talking about many innovations, variety of the thoughts are coming forward to make a different implementation in the field of education. But when it comes to the school dropouts, there are millions and millions of our Indian citizens are being in the streets. They are not able to complete their schooling. And I now, having come to this position in Chennai, I have virtually seen that how this passing class 10th and class 12th makes a big difference in his life. It is image, it's a self-esteem. It's not just only a certificate we are providing. We are touching the self-esteem of that individual. Even at the age of 64, recently I had a person who was 74 at the age he has completed his class 12th to come to take admission in in CA, that is Chartered Accountants. So just imagine, this is it's a right of the people, and this open schooling system is another innovative program started by Ministry of HRD, and actually unfortunately it's not known much to the people, and they look down saying that it is something open school, that quality may not be good and all those things. See, we are not going into the debate of that part, but now only thing, this type of opportunity has to be brought to the notice of the people, and they must, once they get educated, they feel elevated, they say, yes, I must also keep myself happy, and I should keep myself clean, and I must support my family. This is the thought process goes in his mind. So I sincerely wish that all the like-minded people over here take this education is also along with this Swachh Bharat, and try to make all our citizens and make our India a great Bharat. That's what I wish, and I hope that such type of occasions and the people like you all will definitely take this country forward. I am very hopeful that by 2020 India is definitely going to be a great nation by all means. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity.